If you want to make your designs look more polished and more professional, adding a drop shadow in Figma is one of the easiest effects you can use. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add a drop shadow in Figma in just a few clicks, and I'll keep it super simple so you can follow along even if you're a complete beginner. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Figma tutorials and design tips. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Figma file and select the layer or shape that you want to add a shadow to. This could be a button, a card, an image, a text container, or any other element in your design. Once your object is selected, look over to the right sidebar. This is where Figma keeps most of your design properties, including fill, stroke, and effects. Now scroll down until you find the effects section. If you don't see it right away, just keep an eye out for the panel labeled effects. This is where you can add shadows, blurs, and other visual effects to your selected object. To add a new effect, click the plus icon next to effects. As soon as you do that, Figma will add a default effect to your layer. From here, click the effect type dropdown and choose drop shadow. That's the setting you need if you want to create depth and make your object stand out from the background. Once you select drop shadow, you can start adjusting the shadow settings to get the look you want. You'll usually see options like X, Y, blur, spread interval, and color. The X and Y values control the direction and position of the shadow. Blur softens the edges so the shadow looks more natural. Spread changes the size of the shadow, and the color controls how dark or light it appears. A subtle shadow often works best for modern UI design because it adds dimension without making the layout feel heavy. If you're designing buttons, cards, or pop-ups, a soft shadow can help separate the element from the rest of the interface and improve visual hierarchy. You can also click back into the shadow settings at any time and fine-tune the effect until it matches your design style. If the shadow looks too strong, lower the opacity. If it feels too sharp, increase the blur. Small adjustments can make a big difference in the final result, and that's it. You've now added a drop shadow in Figma. It only takes a moment, but it can instantly make your design look cleaner, more layered, and more professional. If you found this useful, please give the video a like and subscribe for more Figma tutorials, UI design walkthroughs, and beginner-friendly tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.